AirGap Wallet Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of AirGap Wallet. Links to the wallet and its features are available in the description below. Let's get straight into it. AirGap Wallet is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet designed with an emphasis on offline security. It's a two-part system comprising the AirGap Wallet app for managing transactions and the AirGap app for securely storing private keys. This separation ensures maximum protection by isolating sensitive information from any network connections, making AirGap an excellent choice for users prioritizing security, especially long-term holders and those managing significant crypto assets. Features of AirGap Wallet include support for multiple cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tezos, and various ERC20 and BEP20 tokens. The wallet is fully compatible with hardware wallets and supports staking for certain blockchains, including Tezos, allowing users to earn rewards while maintaining custody of their assets. One of its standout features is the AirGap Vault, which transforms an old smartphone into a cold wallet for offline key management, ensuring private keys never touch the internet. Additionally, the wallet integrates with decentralized applications, dApps, and supports QR code-based transaction signing, enhancing usability without compromising security. On the strengths side, AirGap's offline-first approach makes it one of the most secure options for storing cryptocurrencies. The separation of transaction management and key storage drastically reduces the risk of hacking. The wallet's user interface is clean and straightforward, catering to both beginners and advanced users. Support for staking and multi-currency management adds versatility, making it a well-rounded option. Furthermore, its QR code-based signing ensures that users can efficiently execute transactions without exposing private keys. However, there are weaknesses to consider. Setting up AirGap Vault requires an extra device, which might be inconvenient or costly for some users. Additionally, while the security focus is commendable, it might feel overly complex for casual users who prioritize convenience over advanced protection. Lastly, while AirGap supports popular cryptocurrencies, it lacks support for some lesser-known coins and tokens. In conclusion, AirGap Wallet is an exceptional choice for users prioritizing security and control over their crypto assets. If you're looking for a solution with offline protection and robust features, AirGap is worth considering. Check out the links in the description to learn more or download AirGap Wallet today.